Ground Tractor in Action, Various Agricultural Work from Cultivation to Corn Planting is a video that presents the versatility of farm work using a solid tractor. The tractor, with its characteristic brown color, performs various tasks, from plowing and preparing the soil for sowing, to precise planting of corn in vast fields. Each job requires different equipment and skills, and the tractor copes with everything perfectly, regardless of the type of terrain or challenge. The film shows how important a role a modern machine plays in everyday work on the farm, ensuring the smoothness and efficiency of the entire agricultural production process.
It was straw time on the farm. After a day of mowing, large bales of straw were neatly stacked in the field, ready to be hauled away. The tractor knew it had a busy day ahead of it, because it was his job to get all the bales into the barn before the rain came. Early in the morning, 2 tractors attached a suitable trailer and a Cyclops loader and headed out to the field. At last the straw was safe, neatly stacked in the barn, dry and ready for winter. Every bale had its place, so the supplies could be used without any problems in the coming months.
Farm where the tractor did its job every day. One day a serious problem arose. The fence on the outskirts of the farm had a large hole. Through it, wild animals began to enter the fields, destroying crops. The farmer decided to repair the fence, and the tractor played a key role in this task. The tractor received an order. First, it had to take the wood from the forest to the sawmill to cut it into boards to repair the fence. Without a moment's delay, the tractor hitched up the trailer and headed for the forest. The road was long and winding, and the forest was full of huge tree trunks that needed to be loaded. The tractor, with the help of the loader, he went into action. With a full load, it headed for the sawmill, where the lumber machines were already waiting. The tractor arrived without a hitch, and the mill workers quickly got to work, turning the large logs into planks. When everything was ready, the tractor loaded the planks onto a trailer and headed back to the farm. When he returned to his spot, the planks were back in place, creating a solid fence that once again protected the farm. The hole in the fence disappeared, and the tractor looked proudly at its handiwork. It had done the job perfectly, and it could rest in the garage, knowing that its work had helped to secure the farm from uninvited guests. It was another day full of challenges, but the tractor proved to be irreplaceable in every situation.